Welcome to Tool School. I'm Katrina Walker. In this episode of Tool School, we will explore the bamboo knitting repair hook set. Mistakes happen. Sometimes a stitch is dropped or an incorrect stitch is made. This set of finely crafted bamboo hooks makes it easier to correct those small errors. The bamboo knitting repair hooks feature a handy, sharply pointed end that is great for helping to pick apart sticky yarns when frogging or working out those knotty stitches. The crochet-style hook on the opposite end is used to pick up and reform dropped stitches to repair runs in knitwork. The bamboo knitting repair hooks come in two different sizes, 1/8 inch diameter and 3/16 inch diameter, to help fit the gauge of your project stitches. The bamboo knitting repair hooks are made from premium, beautifully finished bamboo. Bamboo glides smoothly through stitches, but has just enough natural grip to make it easier to reform stitches without slipping. The bamboo knitting repair hook set is a natural choice for all knitters' toolboxes. These lovely tools won't make fixing mistakes fun, but they will definitely make it more pleasant. I'm Katrina Walker. Thank you for attending Tool School.